Hey guys, welcome to my January 2019 bullet journal setup. As you can see, I've decided to go this month with a pine tree and gold and black theme with stars and moon. You'll notice that I did the quote, "The secret of getting ahead is getting started." This is a quote that I want to start the year off with. And then on the right hand side is my cover page with black and then gold accents, some stars, and just some trees. On the next page is the calendar. It's a little overview. I don't really use the calendar for writing, which is why I've kept the calendar fairly small. Again, it's with gold and black and gold accents. So right here at the bottom is important dates and to-dos. Usually, like for each month, I'll leave a section for the to-dos and then the important days. So as you can see, I have goals for the month. At the top of the right hand page, you quote that small steps every day, which reinforces the fact that it helps to have a goal each month to work towards the bigger picture. Now at the bottom is my habits tracker. Moving on to the next spread, which is my mood tracker. So I combined the floral theme and the pine trees and made a combined tree to track my mood. So each each leaf floral thingy is represents each day, and beneath the mood tracker I have the gratitude log. So the gratitude log is gonna consist of just 2 or 3 line spaces that I'm gonna write each day. At the end of the day, something that I'm thankful for. I have a very inspirational quote, which is, "The secret to having it all is knowing you already do." So this, I hope, will inspire me to be more grateful and thankful. So that is it for my gratitude log. Moving on to my weekly spreads, as you can see, I wanted to start off doing a little black box beside each day and then write the numbers with the gold marker there, but that didn't really work out well. So then I continued on with just using a regular black marker for the other pages. So I just gave myself 1 page for 1 week. And then on the last page before the month ends, I put end of month reflection. I want to start doing that and really reflect back on how each month was. And then on the right hand side, I put on a quote that says, "On to better things," to inspire me to move forward in February. And so yeah, that's really it for the month of January. I hope you enjoyed this watching my flip through, and I hope you can take some inspiration from it. If you have any questions or comments or anything, please let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy watching content like this, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel.